Let's take a look at this coffee grinder. This is by Agaro manual coffee grinder. 6 adjustment settings. The model is called Elite. Simple packaging. Stainless steel body, 100 grams glass jar, lightweight and portable, easy to clean, ceramic grinder. Costs around 2,999 rupees or $35 or so. So let's see what we get. You get a quick guide manual. These are the different grind sizes. 1 for espresso, 2 and 3 for mocha pot, 3 and 4 for pour over, 3 and 4 for Chemex 2, 4 and 5 for French press, 5 and 6 for cold coffee brew. You get a scoop and a brush to clean it. That's how the grinder looks. This is where you adjust the setting. That's how you take it out. That's how you load it. That's where the coffee beans go in. So let's grind some. This is the coffee we made with it, so let's taste it. That's a nice coffee. It takes quite a bit to grind with it. It does a really good job of grinding. I need to brew it a couple more times to get the settings right, but it does a really good job and makes some really nice coffee. Quite nice. Check it out.